I'm Alex, this is Calvin, this is Kevin. And Calvin was originally the one that brought us into this idea.
Since visiting MIT on April 1, 2025, Calvin has been deeply inspired by the TETRIS passion projects created by MIT students. After several family discussions, we decided to launch a similar passion project of our own. The many efforts and challenges faced by the three high school students are described in detail in the first short video created on August 23, 2025. At that stage, the project reached its first milestone, the ability to display the time in real time using LED lights. After that, we continued preparing for the Community Mid-Autumn Festival celebration held in October. The goal was to create an LED display board that could not only show basic information, but also indicate which performance was currently on stage and which ones were coming up next. Although everything worked perfectly both at home and during on-site testing, something unexpected happened on the day of the celebration. The screen suddenly became fully lit, indicating a malfunction. We suspected that the unusually high temperature and direct sunlight may have caused the issue, but because everyone was extremely busy during the event, we never had the chance to identify the exact root cause. Still, the display was able to show some performance information indoors, which we consider the project's second milestone. Then, as the Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays arrived, we continued building on the programming framework that Kevin had developed with GPT during the summer, adding more detailed interface elements. Through this process, the initial prototype of the TETRIS game gradually took shape. At the same time, we turned the clock project from the summer into a practical, usable device. After purchasing new materials and a proper frame, it was transformed into an electronic clock that quickly became a favorite among elementary school students. The clock was officially put into use at Dr. Joe's Learning Center on December 28, 2025. During winter break, Calvin's sister, who visited MIT with him together, came home for the holidays. Since a significant part of her work involves programming, she was able to help Calvin quickly understand the code generated by GPT and further refine the program. On the evening of January 1, 2026, the project reached its third major milestone, the creation of a simple Tetris game. With each new block that appears, a shadow is projected at the bottom of the screen to help players determine the correct placement. At this point, the project had achieved 3 distinct phases, bringing the original dream to life. Next, we plan to bring the game to the 3 community multicultural spring festival celebrations and invite attendees to try it out hands-on. This will allow us to observe how it performs in a real-world setting and determine whether any further development is needed. The multicultural spring festival celebrations will take place over 3 consecutive weekends: February 15, February 22, and March 1, 2026. We'll capture some memorable moments during the events and create another short video to share the latest updates on this passion project. Stay tuned!